we're going to be doing the occipital lift on her. It helps people, really helps people with headaches, and also helps people with pain into their shoulder. It kind of goes all the way up to their occiput, and we're going to release that. And it looks like this. Okay. I'm going to have you turn and look this way. Still lie face down. All right. Let your right shoulder fall, okay? There we go. Okay. And turn and look this way. All right. And right here, you feel that? There we go. Good. All right. Lie with your right side down for me, please. Check your neck. Come on back down. Okay, we already adjusted your neck face down, so you're good. Let me help you up.
That was amazing.